You will most frequently encounter the STY extension as a LaTeX Style File or as a keyboard style file for musical instruments. This format functions as either a set of document formatting instructions for academic publishing or a pre-programmed backing track for Yamaha and Casio keyboards. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are adjusting the margins of a scientific paper or selecting a rhythm for a digital piano. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single STY file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. In the academic and typesetting world, the STY format is a crucial component of the LaTeX system, acting as a package that defines the layout, fonts, and command macros for a document. In the music industry, particularly for portable keyboards and arrangers, it serves as a style file that contains the rhythm, bassline, and accompaniment patterns that react to the chords played by the musician. LaTeX STY files are plain text documents governed by the text macro language, allowing users to load complex formatting rules with a single command like usepackage class. Music STY files follow a MIDI-based proprietary structure where the data is divided into sections, such as intro, main, and ending, and programmed with source root and source chord logic that allows the keyboard to transpose the backing track in real time based on the user's input. The designated application for the STY file is Yamaha Keyboard, LaTeX, from Yamaha Corporation, LaTeX 3 Team. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows can open most text files directly in simple editors. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your STY file, then click Open With. Test Yamaha Keyboard, LaTeX if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If you are still having trouble opening the STY file, do not worry. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, identifying the data context. To distinguish these, simply open the file in a text editor like Notepad++ or TextEdit. If you see text starting with %, comments, and commands like unprovides package or new command, it is a LaTeX file. If the file appears as a mess of unreadable binary characters with MTARC or Casio strings scattered throughout, it is a keyboard instrument file. Location is also a key indicator. LaTeX files live in TEX or bin folders, while music styles are usually found on USB drives formatted for musical instruments. Next, implementation and playback. To use a LaTeX style, place the STY file in the same directory as your text document or within your local TextMF tree, then call it in your preamble. For musical styles, you must copy the file to a specifically named folder on a USB stick, often style or music.dat, and insert it into your keyboard. Note that music STY files are often brand specific. A Yamaha style file will generally not work on a Casio or Roland keyboard without a specialized conversion process. Finally, fixing missing packages and loading errors. If a LaTeX document fails to compile with a file not found error, ensure the STY file is in the correct search path, or use a package manager like MiKTeX to download it automatically. For keyboard players, if a style won't load, the file might be too large for the instrument's internal memory, or the file name might be too long. Shortening the file name to 8 characters and removing special symbols often resolves loading issues on older digital pianos. If your apps can't interpret the STY file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn STY formats. The best way forward is the one-click STY fix. That means FileMagick, your new go-to universal viewer. Download from filemagick.com. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. I appreciate your time today.